In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Dropbox on multiple computers. If you move between a desktop and a laptop or collaborate across devices at home or in the office, keeping the same files up to date everywhere is essential. We'll focus on two simple approaches. First, a quick speed upgrade called LAN sync for computers on the same local network. Second, the straightforward method of signing in on a new computer so Dropbox mirrors your files automatically. Start with LAN sync. On each computer, click the Dropbox icon in your system tray. On Windows, it's near the clock, and on macOS, it appears in the menu bar at the top of the screen. Click your profile picture, choose Preferences, and open the Network tab. There, make sure the box next to Enable LAN sync is checked. Repeat these exact clicks on the other computer as well, so both are ready to transfer files directly across your local network. Here's what that change does. Instead of sending a file from computer A up to the internet and then back down to computer B, Dropbox discovers both machines on the same router and moves the data over your local connection. That can be dramatically faster and saves internet bandwidth, especially with large folders, videos, or design files. For the best results, keep both devices on the same Wi-Fi name, or even better, use Ethernet. Make sure the computers are awake and not paused by battery saver settings, and allow Dropbox traffic if you use a strict firewall. If one computer is asleep or disconnected, LAN sync won't kick in, so give both devices a moment online to find each other. Now, the other option is as simple as logging in on a new computer. When you sign in to the Dropbox app there, it will automatically start syncing your Dropbox to that machine. The first download may take some time depending on your library size and connection speed, so let it run and keep the computer online. You'll see folders and files appear, and from then on, any changes you make on one computer will be reflected on the other without you having to move anything manually. To recap, enable LAN sync in Preferences on each computer sharing the same network to move files locally and speed things up. And remember that simply logging in on a new computer will bring your Dropbox content down and keep it in step. That's all you need to keep your work consistent everywhere you go. Thanks for watching.